Hi, do you want to learn how to draw and paint beautiful illustrations? Would you like to learn how to draw friends, family, and even your favorite movie characters and start amazing everyone around you? Then this is your course on drawing and painting for all skill levels, from the beginner to the advanced. Having illustration skills is what will take your simple drawings and ideas and turn them into fully finished works of art that people will pay for. And the skill can be yours with this course. The course begins with the basics. I'll teach you everything you need to know about graphite drawing, colored pencil drawing, and watercolor painting, so you can start illustrating like a pro. The course is broken down into simple projects that will build your skills. Each project will teach you a new skill and concept. The projects start out basic and become more advanced the further into the course you get. Once we've covered the basics of each medium, you'll jump right in and start creating mini illustrations that will build up your confidence. But that won't leave you with everything you need to know in order to create amazing illustrations. So then I'm going to teach you how to create 3 full illustrations, step by step. 1 in graphite, 1 in colored pencil, and 1 in watercolor. And lastly, I've added the bonus of having downloadable, high-resolution photos of the illustrations I'll be creating throughout this course for your personal reference. The course is packed with over 12 hours of clear content, plus I offer fully responsive support throughout the entire course. You'll also gain access to the Artists in Our Family Facebook group, where you can share your work with your fellow students. So why am I sharing this with you? I'm Jaysen, an illustrator and designer. I've worked everywhere from the theater to animation studios. I've been teaching art for over 3 years now, and I've learned that drawing and painting is not a talent. It's a learned skill that anyone can have. I've had countless students improve their art skills through my courses. My mission is to give you the skills to create professional illustrations. I'm so convinced that my course will give you skills in the world of illustration that I offer a 100% no questions asked, money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Jump on in and change your art world today.